Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today we are looking at the Bissell ProHeat 2x Revolution Pet Pro Sweeper. This sweeper is for anyone that really has a pet. It could be for just cleaning too, carpets. These things have some deep cleans to them. We actually borrowed a different type of model of this from a friend, and we really liked it. It worked really well. We had our cat doing some stuff around the house, so we were taking care of that. But we decided we wanted to get one just to have. It's good for cleaning stains as well. There's gonna be another video down below linked eventually that will show us actually cleaning some stains out of some different carpets. We're gonna stain them and then see how this does picking up some different things like wine, maybe some chocolate we'll rub in a carpet, but look for that. This video specifically is just gonna be putting this thing together. I'm gonna show you how it comes out of the box. It's more of an unboxing and putting together type video. So the other nice thing about this one, not that it's super nice, but it includes 2 bottles down there you can see of the pet antibacterial formula and the pet urine eliminator. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and see how easy or hard it is to put it together. Let's go ahead and start taking this out of the box. First thing on top, you got your manual and your melon rebate. 2 nice things to have. Strap. Part of our hose. It's part of another hose, a scrubber. There's 2 different kinds there. This one has some rubber bristles on it. Not sure, looks like that might be where you put some detergent in. Dry and wet modes, it's where it sucks through. Another little piece there. One of the reservoirs. Looks like it might be the top one there. The other sweeper that we were using had just a bucket on the bottom, and it would cycle the water from one side out to the other, and you constantly had to go refill it. But there's a lot of mixing too of the water in there, so this one's nice because it keeps them separate. As you're gonna see, here's your handle. Handle comes with a screw. I think you're gonna need at least one. This is the only screw you're going to put in. It's a Phillips you're going to be using, so you will need a Phillips for this. And this thing weighs 18 pounds all put together. You can see the bottles here, they don't really give you much. 2 little 8-ounce bottles. So it's nice they include them, but they're really tiny. Bull in a china shop. So there's your sweeper part, bottom part. Pull that like so. Here's your hose. There's over 7 feet of hose for your 2 attachments, so that comes in a nice carrying bag too. I think it's safe to say that if you're not going to use these right away, that you can keep them in the bag, because if you ever have used one of these before, these hoses constantly like to fall off. This one might be a little different. Maybe this strap is for keeping all that together, but it's nice that the hose has a bag as well. Okay, so to put this together, our manual says that we have 5 easy steps to do. So we're going to start up here with number 1. That is grabbing the handle piece here. And this is where that screw is attached, so I'm going to go ahead and take that piece off. Set that aside. Just get through some red tape here. This piece goes right in. It's supposed to click as it goes in. Oh, I don't want to put it the right way. Click. There it goes. And then next, we're going to go ahead and grab, make sure I'm following my instructions correctly. We'll go ahead and grab this top base piece. And you can see which way this fits in. It's gonna go, there's feet on the bottom here, there's 2 holes here, and then that's where that plug's gonna go. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in. Also, it should click, they said. Just kind of stopped in place there. Next, we're gonna grab this piece, and this is gonna be where our screw goes. And this goes on top, but it wraps around a certain way. Let's see what we're doing. And it goes on the back there. Looking like that's where it fits. Okay, so on the back, your piece, and this is for your cord. So that's gonna go in there, snaps on the sides. A lot of clicking going on here. We go ahead and take our screw. Once again, this is a Phillips. So we got that piece on the back. We go ahead and put our screw in. Grab the threads, put some pressure on, screw that all together. There we go. And then that's going to be for our cord. So we can unpack our cord. Which I'm just going to unwrap it. I'm not going to wrap it back in because I do want to turn it on, see how loud it is. You'll see down here, you can see the bristles in there. And your water is going to go from here. I think this is the part you're gonna be emptying. I gotta make sure I fill that or check that out, but no, this is the top reservoir. You can see there's a fill line for water, and then on the bottom here, so it's gonna cycle it back down through. Again, we're gonna have another video showing how this actually works, so you can see that. So this, I just checked one more time. This is the clean water tank, this is the dirty water tank. So to get this out, you just push down here, this comes out. You can see here that there's an easy pour out area. I'm sure that you'll be able to get this entire piece off though if you want. There's also this big piece down here. There's a little rubber gasket there. You could probably cannot empty from that end, but this is down there. So you could pour out of there. See the inside there. And then when we have our hose, go ahead and open this hose out of the bag.
What is that hose?
This hose, Grace, good question. This hose is for cleaning things like couches and stairs that are dirty. You can see on the bottom of the hose here, you have this little section here. And right here on the bottom, there is a little trap door. And then there's two pieces here with a circle and this, so this side goes in like this. And then this is actually how you would use the accessory. You heard it snap into place there again. You have two accessory handhelds here. You have this one, which is a small one. And then you got this, which has these rubber bristles. So it's gonna be a little bit more. Again, you could do this dry or you could switch it over to wet. This is not actually for cleaner. This is for a filter. So this will catch debris, cat hair, dog hair, things like that, pet hair. To put this in, it just snaps right into place. Another click. And then you have your button here to actually control this thing sucking and getting the water. So that's a nice, again, it's a 7-foot hose, so it gives you some room to move with. The entire sweeper overall is not very heavy. And then over here, on top of this reservoir, last thing, this is an easy area to pour into. So they put this little nozzle here on top, and you can just run it right from there. So that's the overview of this Pet Pro Bissell sweeper. The ProHeat 2x Revolution. I will go ahead and plug it in now so we can see what some of the heat is like, or see what at least the sound is like on it. This again has no water in it because we don't need it right now. So we can put this on. The power button is right here on the side. Foot brake on the back. So there you go, there's the sound. It is generally pretty loud, so you're not going to be able to use this in a quiet setting. It will not be quiet. It does, you smell that rubber burning off for the first time. So if you like this review, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. This sweeper at the time of making this video is $200. And we will have a link down below to Amazon if you'd like to purchase that as well. We appreciate you watching. Again, this was a review of the Bissell ProHeat 2x Revolution Pet Pro. We'll see you next time.